Okay, we can be rating perfect eggs. This one, definitely number one. Perfect. Not really my style, but we will get a 5. Oh, this is this. I'm gonna give it a 8 in case you get anything worse than that. This is also nice. I'm gonna give it a 3 for now because I feel like there's better to come. This cake I wouldn't really like as a birthday cake, so I'll put it like at 7. This is so cute. I'm gonna put it at 2. The Spider-Man one is nice, but I'll put like at 4 because I don't really like it. This one is also very cute, but there's no more space in the top row. So which one do you guys think? Should I go the top or the bottom? I think I'm gonna go the top. Yes. Bad. That one bad. Thank you, bad. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We have more coming.